original, no? It has music all connected on the beat, guys. Come here to Adams, get everything here. Yeah, guys, yeah. We are back here to Adams store, as I always tell you guys. So right now we are here. I'm coming to pick a bed. So before I get in there, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. My name is KISSMAN if you are new, and if you are one of the subscribers who went off and you are back, you're welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, so I'm going in here. Come with me. Good. How are you two?
Good. What can I help you?
We are just coming to check the beds. Yeah.
Okay. Please follow me. I can help you with that. I'm out.
Oh my God.
Looking for a king size or king size? King? Oh. You like this one? You want me to check? This plus 6.25%, which is the taxes, equals this.
What about transportation?
I believe,
Is it not free?
I believe it's 140. I gotta look at the miles because it's like how, depending on how far it is. But if I put 140, that's because 100 will be around here, like in this area.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You can get it also in a king size. This one has frost.
Double.
It's not that big, but it's not that simple neither. It's in between. And this on a queen size, $649.
Is this a king?
This is a king, but I can get you on a queen size.
Yeah, so yeah. This is
another one. You see the details?
Yeah. It's that one.
What is the address? So 7.6 miles. It will be, let me show you. Mileage.
Come. Oh, guys. Guys, come and get the bed here. Adams store. Best beds ever.
What's your name? Last name?
So look at this art here, guys. This place is so wonderful.
Yeah, yeah. Those, and then the runners, yeah.
Yeah, if you need pillows for the beds, for your chairs, just come in here and pick a choice of your interest, the color, the design, as you can see. If you need a carpet for your living room, bedroom, come in here. For the bathroom, look at the designs. So chapojo. Yeah. See the designs for your bedroom, where you put your legs or your feet, and then we have the huge ones here. Look at this. People, look at this carpet. So nice, but look at the money. So this is what you can put down on the floor for your kids to play on. You can also look at this. There's another type here. See this? Yo.
Okay. Ask for me though.
Yeah.
You gotta ask for me.
I will, yes, I will.
Guys, look at this chair.
Last time I came, but I got somewhere, forget it.
You wanna say something?
Today.
Uh-huh.
I didn't see him today, I forget his name, but God is something.
You wanna say something?
is connected.
Look.
Oh.
Estaba pensando ahora, solo pensando en usted. Tengo los ojos rojos después de la hierba que yo fumé. Estaba bregando solo y contigo la sonila la maté. Estoy brillando de lejos, el cuello lo tengo lleno de BBS.
This is original, no? It has music all connected on the beat, guys. Come here to Adams, get everything here. Best. Wow. Look at this card.
You can charge your phone there.
Oh, I see.
That's luxury.
Look at this card,
Put your
guys.
cups, coffee, and whatever. This is a table, Yeah, this luxury.
Charges.
Charging.
Charging.
It also charges. Look at this card, guys. Please do not waste time outside there looking for where you can get the best furniture. Come to Adams. Everything is all set here. Look at
It's
the
a
chair.
recliner.
Oh, it's a
too.
recliner, yes.
It's nice.
You can adjust the head.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, have a seat.
Wow.
So, if I don't play music in my phone, if
Yeah.
I want to in the chair, how am I gonna operate it?
Oh, it's just Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Yeah.
Okay.
You use
See?
Bluetooth.
Yes.
And you connect it. Audio system,
Yes.
connect it, and then you just put your music.
Oh wow.
That's it.
That's so cool.
You get that? The chair uses, the couch uses a Bluetooth with all the system.
Wow, this is so cute.
Yes.
Great, guys. Look at it. You can sit,
Yeah. I just
have your cup of coffee, charger is here, even the phone charger, and then there are lights here. Oh my God.
This luxury.
yeah. The more stuff.
Let's see the price.
The
How much
prices
is
are
the
here.
price? Oh, 2,400.
2 pieces, 3 pieces. So guys, if you want to get one of these seats here, which is a modern type, is a recliner. As you see, it has a music system, it has a charging area, it has a dining, I would say, because you take your coffee here.
So-
Just
so
come here,
all-
and
that's
this is the
for all
price.
this?
The three.
The three.
Adam Store.
My YouTube, subscribe, KISSMAN-D. Baby, I love you.